All right, so this is going to be a video for you Inside Track Club members at Harbor Freight. We're going to go through the deals that they got going on, and these deals are going to be running for pretty much the whole month of February, which is pretty nice. So let's check out, see what they got. First up, they have the US General. So this is going to be the 4-drawer tech cart. So this isn't the normal 5-drawer. I'll pull it up here. This is the one that usually everybody's waiting to go on sale, and usually it gets down to about $189. But for the Inside Track Club members, they have the 4-drawer US General tool cart here. It says the price was $229. It's a little inflated, but you can pick this up for $149. So about $40 less than what you would pay for this 5-drawer mechanic cart when it goes on sale down to $189. But I'll tell you what, if you guys are fine with this setup, I think this is a pretty decent cart for $150. I don't think you can go wrong, and they got it in multiple different colors, as you guys can see. My favorite color is this slate gray. So $149 for a 4-drawer tool cart, not a bad deal. They got the Bauer pressure washer down to $170. Here's another US General top chest. So $349, another $100 off on this. So this is the 42-inch by 22-inch. Once again, available in multiple different colors. This is the Series 3. Very nice top chest here by US General. You got the Predator engine, $100 off on that. Another US General here, 15-inch end cabinet. Already in the slate gray like I like it. This one, only a few dollars off. You're going to save $30 off on this one. I've actually seen people attach these to their tool carts, that 5-drawer tool cart, and it's actually a pretty nice setup. In my opinion, this 15-inch end cabinet, kind of pricey for $250. I probably would pass on it myself, but for you guys that are interested, hey, $250. That's the price they got right now. Here's the Pittsburgh low profile 2.5 ton aluminum racing jack, $169. The titanium 225 inverter welder, got that at $240. Scroll through a little bit more. They got the Quinn 3/8-inch socket set. This is a 9-piece, and you can get this in metric or SAE. $23.99. Another pretty good pickup. Guys looking for a log splitter? I actually have electric log splitter like this. Works really well. I run it off a generator for my off-grid cabin. $255 for that one. Got the cement mixer. Brake clean. Us mechanics always can use some brake clean. Under $5 for that. You got the extension cord. Here's the Bauer drill press with light, down to $469. Got the Franklin wood dolly, $22.49 for that. This comes in real handy to move heavy objects around your shop. And then they also have the carpeted wood dolly for the same price. Both of those are 1,000-pound capacity, so these come in really handy, and for the price you really can't pass it up. You got the torch kit, $300. Another good deal is this Bauer 6-inch bench grinder for $40. $2 for the electric fly swatter. Got the Vulcan Migmax 215, $779 for that one. Another $100 savings. They got the Quinn socket set. We got the Pittsburgh impact socket set. Nice value budget impact socket set for $15. They also got the Bauer 10-inch drill press. Got the Vulcan welding helmet for $130. Hercules step bits for $30. Another cheap item to pick up that comes in really handy when you're working on projects is these Braun 500 lumen headlamps, only $10 for that. We got the Chicago electric arc welder for $130. Another thing I like to pick up at Harbor Freight are these tarps. They come in really handy. You got to cover up some wood, keep them out of the elements. These blue ones don't last a long time, but if you need something temporary to cover up some stuff in your backyard when it's raining or snowing, $7 isn't a bad deal. And they got tons of different sizes, and they also have other tarps that are heavy duty. We got some WD-40 for $10. Here's a budget friendly miter saw by Warrior. If you guys aren't doing a lot of work, you're just doing some projects here and there, $80, not a bad pickup. Got the Bauer angle grinder. This is corded, $25, another really good pickup. Got the Yukon 3-drawer steel toolbox for $50. The Bauer SDS for $70. And then here is the US General mobile service tray, $80. Another good pickup there for you guys working on your vehicles. Got some pliers by Pittsburgh, 4-piece for $13. Here's another Bauer angle grinder. This one's got the 180-degree rotating body for $70. And then here's another tarp I was talking about. This one is a heavy-duty reflective, all-purpose, weather-resistant tarp. So this one's going to last you a long time, but you're going to pay a little bit more of a premium price at $125. But these things will last you a lot longer than those blue ones. We got the Hercules cutoff saw for $140. Another Bauer SDS demolition hammer for $250. And then if you guys want to step it up, we got the Hercules SDS. This one is $100 off, bringing the price down to $349. Here's the Daytona 22-ton heavy-duty jack stands. This one has the locking pin, $150. Got the Bauer thickness planer for $279. Icon 1000 lumen light, and this one has the UV inspection light with it for $50. Here's a couple U.S. General items that are coming pretty handy, only $13, but these can organize your sockets inside your toolbox. Central Machinery 5-inch vise for $65. Another Braun rechargeable headlamp for $30. This one's going to be 1,400 lumens. Pittsburgh 1,300 pound electric hoist for $120. These are also come in handy in a shop or garage. Another Vulcan helmet, $150. Got the Hercules dual action polisher for $90. And then, as you guys know, Bauer's coming out with their own modular system. Not as good as the pack out, but definitely decent for DIYers. So here's a storage system modular organizer. Only $26.99 for that. We got the McGraw compressor for $169. This one's a 10-gallon. Got some padlocks, 3-pack for $299. Always nice to have some of these on hand. Here's the Pittsburgh 1/2-inch flex head long handle ratchet. $30 for that. Got a 20-ounce gravity-fed spray gun. You guys doing any painting? $50 for that one. Got another 5-inch vise. This one's by Doyle for $150. And then we got another Hercules. So this is the Hercules 7¼ inch circular saw, 15 amp. This one's coming in at $85. We got the Franklin step stool for only $22.49. So right here we got the Road Shock. These are the 3-inch off-road lights. These are pretty cool. This is the flood style. And then it's got the side lights on the side here. Get a closer look. So they got LEDs that are going to point forward, flood style, and then we also got some LEDs that are going to point out sideways. Really nice accessory for your off-road vehicle. Only $70 for that. And then they also have the spotlight style. So these are going to be spot. The other ones are flood. Same setup with the LEDs on the side. Still the same price for $70. We got the Banks 18-gauge brad nailer for your compressor. $25 for that. Another U.S. General way to organize your tools is the magnetic tray. And this also has a screwdriver holder. Once again, multiple different colors. Only $10 for that one. Got the Merlin PVC air hose for $16. I actually prefer those hybrid hoses over these, especially in cold weather, because these just get really stiff. Got the Pittsburgh Pro socket set for only $8, color-coded, which is nice. And then we got the Chicago Electric 20-amp plasma cutter. $50 savings on that one, bringing the price down to $249. We got a couple puller sets here. One is the Pittsburgh for $18, and then we got the Icon puller set, 22-piece for $170. Another electric hoist. This is the 2,000-pound electric hoist for $280. Here's some Pittsburgh jumper cables. These are always nice to have for emergencies. Just throw these right in the trunk of your car. $7. You can't beat that. We got the Hercules 1/4-inch die grinder. $60 for this. This is the 4-amp. And then we got the McGraw 1/4-inch air die grinder for $20. Another Predator engine for $90. Some bungee cords. Sorted length 23-piece. Another item that comes in pretty handy for $10. Got the Union safe for $55, and then the push broom over here for only $10. Some more tarps, only $5 for this one. For you guys with generators, we got the Predator extension cord, only $30. This is 25 foot, up to 30 amps. Some more off-road lights by Road Shock. And then some cable ties. I always pick these up when I go to Harbor Freight. Only 99 cents for this. Those always come in handy. Got the Syntec automatic battery charger. $20 for that. Another really good deal. Keep your battery topped off. 3-inch swivel for only $20 by Central Machinery. And then we got the Hercules bench grinder. This is the 8-inch for $150. We got the Bauer wood lathe for $530. The Viking battery and system load tester for $30. Merlin High Flow Blowgun Kit for 12 bucks. Let's see what else we got here. Pittsburgh Pro combination wrench set, 22 piece. Only $16 for that. Not too bad. We got the safety chain for your trailer for only $7. And then here is the Doyle 2-bender kit for $130. Got the Banks 20 gauge crown stapler for 28 bucks. We got some plugs. Looks like we got some Road Shock, more LED lights for off-road. Here's the Ranger adjustable face shield. These always come in handy when you're grinding on some metal. Only 15 bucks for that. Guys looking for a battery tester, the Viking for $30. Got the 6-pack of Hercules sanding sheets, 4 bucks for that one. Some more Pittsburgh wrenches, 6-piece for 5 bucks. I always like to pick up some straps when I go to Harbor Freight too. These are the Hallmaster 1,000-pound ratcheting tie downs for 4 bucks. Another Vulcan welding helmet for $130. Here's the Icon heavy-duty commercial U-joint puller, $90 for that. And then this always comes in handy. I got one of these. This is the 10mm socket set by Pittsburgh for $12. For us mechanics, the running joke is we never can find the 10mm socket. So I end up picking up one of those. Comes in really handy. Central Machinery press brake, 30-inch for $5.30. Got the Storehouse water resistant storage container, only 6 bucks. And then here's another nice pickup. Here's the Hercules 7-amp compact trim router for 65 bucks. I usually pick these up when I'm doing metal work. This is like assortment package, so you get your cutoff wheel and your flap wheel assortment. It's a 10-piece, only $8 for that. Not a bad pickup. Another good item for mechanics to have is this fuel injection service kit by Icon, only $260 for that. We got the Bauer 30-foot self-leveling cross-line laser level, 45 bucks. Banks compact palm nailer, $20. We got some more Storehouse organizers, 8 bucks for that. Here's another item that comes in pretty handy is the 10-inch riveter set, only $3.79 for that one. Got the Doyle water pump pliers. We got some more U.S. General organizer set for your stubbies, only 6 bucks for that. Another good way to organize your toolbox. You guys got some generators. They got the Predator storage cover in large and medium. They also got the Predator 3-foot 20-amp generator adapter for $17. The Quinn 6-inch digital calipers for 40 bucks. Got the 7-inch Carpenter's Vise by Doyle for 50. Earthquake XT half-inch impact wrench. This has the 2-inch extended anvil, 1,190 foot-pounds for 100 bucks. We got some Icon 3/8-inch drive Crowfoot wrench set, 45 bucks for that one. Another good item to pick up are these Franklin moving blankets. So this is a 72-inch by 80-inch for $6.99. These do get a little bit cheaper, but not bad for $6.99. I use these for a lot of different things. I never use them for moving, but I use these to put over the fender of my vehicle if I'm working on it, or actually I lay on these when I'm working underneath my vehicle. They help out a lot. We got the Pittsburgh 1-ton capacity crane for $7.79. Hallmaster swing away trailer jack for 25 bucks. Not a bad pickup there. Maddox 5-pound slide hammer and puller set for 80 bucks. Another Union safe. This one is $3.30, up to 10 guns. And I'll tell you what, these never fit the capacity that they say they do unless you got these kind of older style stocks on them. If you got any modern guns like AR-15s or AK-47s, they never seem to fit the full capacity in these. But definitely nice to have if you're trying to keep your guns safe or out of the hands of your kids. So $3.30, not too bad. Got some painter's tape for 5 bucks. Another tarp for 19. Braun rechargeable spotlight, 6,000 lumens for 38 bucks. And then it looks like that's about it, guys. So also, I wanted to point out for the Inside Track Club members, right now they got bundle savings. So if you buy any one of these Pierce nailers, they got the 15-degree coil siding nailer, and then they also got the roofing nailer. If you buy one of these, which there's the prices there for you, you can get the impact driver kit by Hercules. You're not going to get this Hercules kit for free, but they are reducing the price down to $25. And that's going to come with the charger and then also 2 amp hour battery. And then usually the regular price on that is $97.99. These are pretty good. Heard a lot of good things about them. So if that's something you're interested in, that might be a really good pickup for you. But that's going to be about it, guys. Just wanted to run through the Inside Trek club member deals that they got going on. And like I said, these are going on until 2/27, so pretty much for the whole length of the month of February. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I do videos like these weekly for Harbor Freight, Lowe's, and Home Depot. So if that's something you're interested in and you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.